But when you have asthma, it can be controlled, oh, somebody once told me I had asthma, but I don't really feel it. Or it can be really poorly controlled, like you're in the hospital all the time and need to be and you're having exacerbations, meaning it's out of control. You find yourself short of breath, you find yourself needing help, you need to go to the emergency room. Sometimes you need to even get admitted. And then there's in the middle, like, oh, you might have a couple of attacks a week, but you can deal with them with medication and not have to go to the emergency room in the hospital. So in our county, we do have a high rate of people needing to seek medical care, which really speaks, it can be so many things that cause that. It can be fluctuations in air pollution, it can be fluctuations in access to good medical care, it can be lack of a good asthma plan, like whether you come to with your primary care providers. It could be that you couldn't afford to get your medications. It could be that asthma is affected by stress. So if you have more stressful events in your life, even if they're not related to bad air, it can be, we had good studies of people that experience racist attacks, have worse asthma control. So there can be many factors that impact asthma rates and the need to seek